Hey, I'm John Utter of Strong Tower Woodworks in Western Kentucky. I'm a remodeling contractor, and some things that I'm good at are remodeling your kitchen, remodeling your bathroom, building a custom bookcase. Heck, I can even put a doggy door in your brick wall. But things I'm not good at: marketing, content creation, gathering testimonials from my customers. That's why I contacted Ross at Tricycle Creative. Shoot, we contacted him in the middle of a pandemic. We'd never done this before. And since we've used Ross with our first 3 testimonial videos, I've received more phone calls in those 3 weeks than I've had all year. Ross, thank you so much for your help. We look forward to building this relationship with you and seeing how far we can go. Thanks again. I highly recommend Ross and Tricycle Creative.